Here's a quick and easy way to bleed brakes by yourself.
First, you're gonna need an empty bottle and some tubing. And this is 1/4 inch size. Be sure it's clear so you can see the fluid and any air bubbles going through it. Take the cap off your bottle. Get a drill bit the size of the tubing. And drill a hole, sort of offset to one side. And then poke a much smaller hole on the other side, and this is going to be just to let air through. Add enough brake fluid to the bottle so that the end of the tube will always be submerged. We're ready to go. Top off the reservoir and just set the lid on.
Push the end of the 1/4 inch hose over the end of the bleeder valve and crack it open. Now I need to go pump the brake pedal. And this will allow air to be expelled from the brake line without new air being sucked back in. Now close the bleeder valve and pull off the clear hose.
Be sure to keep the reservoir topped off with fluid so you don't allow any new air to enter the system.
And repeat for any other lines that had air enter while being disconnected. Be sure to start on the brake line that is farthest from the master cylinder first and work your way back toward the master cylinder. Thanks for watching.